waddankeena alxamdulilah no waddan kale xaq faleena laakiin waxaan jeclaan lahay hal geero Canadian inay soo doodo.
Look at this. This is all salt. This is the salt that is sold in the city. Look at that. All of this is salt. It's a beautiful Thursday evening. There's so many people out. There's families swimming. There's people just taking pictures, enjoying the beautiful ocean view.
ayagoo boqol shabeel alla soo cadaan buun way kan buunka yaryarka cadaanka ah oo badda ku jiro marka guryaha lagu sharaxdaa sida miisaska fadhiga iyo kumadiinada iyo lagu sharaxdaa ala saarta iyo waaskooyinka biyaha ku jiro.
Hello guys, welcome back. It's Zahra, Somali Storytellers TV, and this is one of my last moments in Mogadishu. I've been here for the past 8 years. Since 2015. I can't even count how long that's been, but I have to go back to Canada. My passport is expiring, so yeah, unfortunately I have to cut my vlogging in Somalia very, very short. There was a lot of things that I wanted to do, and yeah, unfortunately that has to be put on pause. I'm definitely gonna come back, but it's not the end. I'm still gonna be vlogging wherever I'm at. But today we are going to Jazeera, and you can see the road. So the reason why we're going to Jazeera is we are working on videos. It's more work related, and then I can't really discuss too much into details. I don't want to take the fun out of you guys watching it later, because I will be posting all those videos here that we documented, and I'm just going to show you around Jazeera. So yeah, I'm heading towards a checkpoint right now. I'm going to just stop my recording. So yeah, this place caught my eye. I come here often. I am going to head out to my cousin's house, but in the meantime I just want to focus on Jazeera. Over there you see the mosque. I think I did a video with the mosque, and I think this is like a mini mosque. And then here there's the boats. The fishermen tie the boats here when they're not fishing. On top of all of that, you see all this dirt. It's such a beautiful, beautiful place, but then there's garbage everywhere. I think a lot of the times I hear people take their garbage to companies, and then the company brings it to places like this to dump it. People don't know where their garbage ends up, but it ends up in the ocean, and then somehow we end up swimming in this ocean, and this is not good. I feel like somebody has to do something about this. Wallahi, it's a beautiful place. It's very also historic, because we have the ancient mosque over there in the middle of the island. Unfortunately, there's trash everywhere, and trash is not just exclusive to Somalia. Trash is a global issue. We don't have any proper recycling. We don't have any cleanup, and this is going to contaminate our waters. It's not going to be safe for us to swim in these waters. So let's think about the beauty and the future of our country and decide to do something about this. Especially to those of you who's watching from the diaspora, maybe America, UK, and you love your country so much. Wallahi, it would help. Every ounce of education you have, come back home, invest your skills into your country. I'm sure there's people who are doing something within the environment. Please come here and figure out how we can solve this issue. This is really sad, wallahi. Yeah, let's go and discover other things that are not sad. Maybe the fun parts. We'll save the sad parts for another time.
السلام عليكم. maanta waxaa joognaa annaga iyo asxaabtu Jazeera. maanta cimiladu aad bay kulushahay. haddii aan isla horreyd garee like waxaan oran karayaa 9-10 markaygii koowaad maahan ilaa markii shanaadaan imanaya xaggan. meel aad u qurux badan oo deegaan dalxiiseed aad u qurux badan. xaggan geeska waxaa naga xigta iyadana desertkii Nemo. xagga kalena abaydhaxan baa naga sii xigta. deegaan dalxiiseed aad u qurux badan weeyaan. annaga iyo asxaabtu aan badanaa waqti ku qaadano. maantana waqti shaqo weeyaan oo shaqaan u nimaadnay. aad badan salaamayna muuqaalka qaybihiisa kala quruxda badanna aad nolol daawada soo dhawaada.
It's really hot today. Well, I cannot even describe how hot the temperature is. It's really, really hot. I think it was 35 degrees. but it feels like almost 70 degrees. The way it's hot. You can even cook an entire egg in 5 minutes. I'm out of breath. My cousin was generous enough to open the mosque for us, and the mosque is a bit cooler. There's wind from the ocean. So yeah, it's like a natural air conditioning. And I have cold water, which I'm very grateful for because it's really hot, wallahi. Jazeera is very huge. There's different sides to it, and this is one of the sides that people don't normally focus on. But I'm on more of the educational side, right? So I want to learn about the different ecosystems in Somalia. There's our marine vegetation over there, and then we have flamingos over there. I wish I had a drone so we can capture the flamingos. I don't want to go too close to them because it's going to scare them away. They have their nests over there. Like, it's very slippery, so you're going to have to be careful. You have to go to the driest parts. There's no other way to navigate. Look how creative Mahad is. Unfortunately, we lost our tripod and we have to do this interview. One of the reasons why we're rushing is because the ocean should be back here by 1:30. So it's a low tide right now, but when it's a high tide, all these trees will be covered by the ocean. So we have about 20 minutes to get out. We couldn't find the tripod, so this is our tripod for now. Very creative. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick up my shoes. And then I'm just gonna slowly walk in. We're here and I made a tuna egg mix, and I'm gonna make a tuna sandwich. You know, there's not a lot of restaurants here, and if you're gonna go to a restaurant, it's pretty expensive. So it's better for you to get your stuff and then make a snack. If you have family here, you can ask them for space. I have my cousin here and I'm thankful for her. She gave us this little space to kind of like, you know, if we need the bathroom, if we need prayers, if we need somewhere to eat our snacks. We are also charging our devices, and I think I make a good tuna sandwich. So now we're at the salt farms. Look at this. This is all salt. This is the salt that is sold in the city. Look at that. All of this is salt. Alhamdulillah, we don't have factory-made salt, which is very unhealthy. This is all natural sea salt.
waxa waaye fashion waa idii dhaqan waa qoorta lagu xirtaa kuwaan miisaska fadhiya la saartaa sharxaad waa kan ayakoo bocol shabeel la soo cadaan buun waa kan buunka yaryarka oo cadaanka ah oo badda ku jiro marka guryaha lagu sharaxdaa seen miisaska fadhiya iyo madiinada iyo lagu sharaxdaa la saartaa iyo waaskooyinka biyaha ku jiro.
Look how beautiful it is, wallahi, mashallah. This is such a beautiful scenery. Look at the families, look at the siblings, the mothers. Why, mashallah.
فيديو عادي صعنا يداينه ما تعرف فرحتي أنا كسوم وقت الجنال كزهرو إن waddankeen meel aad iyo aad u qurux badan uu leeyahay waxaa ka mid ah sida badaheen oo kale dabiiciga ah meelo qurux badan sida dalxiisaha sida saxaraha inta ku yaal magaciisa meelaha bacaadka ah.
So guys, this is going to be the end of my vlog. This is the end of my vlog, and thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, and also share my content. If you're not new here, then also press the like button and subscribe. Until then, see you next time.